bring yourself onto your belly just like so. Now I'm gonna show you one move at a time so that you understand the essence of it before we add everything in together. So I want you to rest your forehead on your hands. Bring the knees out super wide like a diamond, okay? Big toe together. And all you're gonna do is lift up the quads, come back down. Exhale, lift and lower. As you can see, I'm squeezing my butt every time I lift the legs, all right? So that's one part. The second part is the half cobra push-up. Slide your hands right underneath your shoulders. Roll the shoulders back, pressing through the heel of your palm. You're going to lift up into a half cobra. Notice how my elbows are still touching my shirt. They're not flaring out like this. They're all the way in. That's how you truly work your triceps. And also, please, do not come all the way up into a full cobra. That's why this is called a half cobra. It's half and down. Now, you ready to combine it all together? Bring those knees out, big toes together. You're gonna give me one push. A push and a lift. It's a push and a lift. As you can see, extremely challenging, but really fun. You get to work the arms and the booty all in one. So you're gonna wanna try 12 of those. Make sure you pay attention to your form and really squeeze and hold each movement. All right, have fun. Bring your hands forward, palms into the mat, fingers wide. Toes aligned with the hips. You're gonna lift up into a down dog position. Now you're gonna wanna bring your toes in a little bit closer so they feel more comfortable. And lift one of your legs up into a three-legged dog. Now from here, I want you to drop the toes to the outside of the mat, lift up, draw an arch or a rainbow, and drop to the other side, outside the mat. As you can see, major butt work happening right now. You're gonna inhale down and you're gonna exhale up. All right, let's go ahead and bring the toes down, knees down, and slowly lift up with control. If you can try to do 10 to 12 of these per leg, you're gonna be really golden. Good luck, guys. This is the tricep dip. You're going to lift up right here into a tabletop position, making sure that your palms are right underneath your shoulders and your feet are hip width apart. All you're going to do is simply come down and up, keeping that chin up. You're not sinking into your shoulders. Now, if you want to make this a little bit harder, I'm going to ask you to bring your legs out into a reverse plank so that you're like this, hips up. This is more difficult, but if you want to give it a shot, all you're going to do is inhale down, exhale, lift. Inhale down, exhale, lift. And if you want to make it extra fun, bring it back in right here into a tricep kick and dip. You're going to bring one leg out like so. Every time you come down, you kick that leg up, down, exhale, lift. And those are your 3 variations for the tricep dip. Go ahead and try 12 tricep dips and have fun. So bring your legs in front of you, hands in front, tuck the chin in and slowly roll down with control. Hands by your sides, come into tabletop and extend those legs up. Now place one hand on top of the other and bring it all the way back. Now check this out. I'm going to inhale. On the exhale, I'm going to lift up, open wide right through my legs and come back down. Exhale and down. See, we're getting inner thighs, outer thighs, and abs all at the same time. That one is really fun. It's killer. Go ahead and try 12 to 15 of these and you're going to be ready to go. So what you want to do, you're going to place your hands together, shoulders rolled back, keeping that chest nice and open. I'm going to sweep my leg onto one side. Notice how my toes are still facing forward. And then I'm simply going to lunge down. Notice how this leg is straight. My toes are tracking forward. My butt is back, my chest is open and forward. Now when I get up, I'm going to lift up, keeping that leg straight. Might be a little bit tricky when you start in the beginning, but try the best that you can and you will totally work your inner thighs and they will be on fire. So beginners, you probably want to just stay a little bit higher. As you get stronger, you can come low and lift all the way back up. So try about 10 to 15 on each leg and you will be on fire. You're absolutely going to love it. Have fun. So bring your legs in front of you, hands in front, slowly tuck your chest in and roll down with control. Now the movement here and the positioning is extremely important. Bring the toes into each other, knees wide like a diamond, all right? Both hands behind the nape of your neck. You're gonna push yourself up into Pilates stance, meaning the head, neck, and shoulders are lifted off of the mat. Now I'm going to bring my elbow towards my knee and my knee towards my elbow. And then you can exhale, come on the other side. Now, check this out. If I were to just move my elbow here, not much action is happening, but if I move my knee towards my elbow, wow, I'm getting the shakes here. I'm really feeling my obliques with this essentially side crunch. So guys, that is your wiggle. I want you to try anywhere between 15 to 20 of these and your abs and your sides will be so sore and you're gonna love it. Have fun.